Well, hello traders and investors, I'm L.A. Little. This is your daily NeoTA wrap where we take a look at these markets neoclassically, supply and demand on the charts, folks. It does work. I've been doing it for years and years, avoided big downturns in the market, and have made a lot of money on the upside. I do the show 4 times a week, Monday through Thursdays, broadcast over 10 o'clock Eastern Time, archived on YouTube and under the channel L.A. Little. If you want to subscribe to the show, just reach up in the right-hand corner on YouTube. Do so anytime I push content. Get a notification. What do we do today? We stretch it higher, folks. I looked at these charts last night with you. We looked at the NDX and the NASDAQ test two-bar reversal failure. In other words, they couldn't take it lower when they should, or at least take it sideways. No pause. By the end of the day, they had it up. That tells you the market's stronger than you think. What does it do? It follows through, and that's exactly what we should have expected. That's what we expected here. Hopefully you did the same and made some money off of it. Europe gets a bounce across the board there. And if we scroll down, take a look at Asia. I believe Asia also had a decent night. They were up last night as well. Coming in tonight with a little follow through, it looks like. So big night last night in Asia, follow through in Europe, and follow through here in the U.S. If we take a look at the commodity markets, let's take a quick look there. Gold down, and copper, it's, well, we had oil. Crude oil was slightly, 2,300. These are the evening hours. Probably be easier if we just pop into one of these and we can see what took place today. Yeah, I had a nice big spike today. So, markets, what's going on? Let's take a look at the actual indexes. So last night we were talking about the failures to get lower. What does that do? That sets up the run for the next move higher. And as I alluded to last night, sorry about that, let me get that out of the way. As I alluded to last night, if you look on the weekly charts, let me pop that up, on the weekly charts here, what you're going to see there is a continuation of some long-standing ABCD structures that haven't quite completed yet. There's actually multiples here that have, but if we go back to this one, you got your pop-up there and there. That one was completed. You have this one that's in effect now. That one points at about another 15 points higher, I believe. And it's trying to make its run up there is what it's doing. And now you got another one as well. All of these point right up to about the 2,500 area if this thing continues to claw higher. NDX, we were talking about it previously, gets the continuation, gets over the breakdown bars high. So again, here you go. You get over it, you test it, you make new highs. You gap up into that area. We got a trend day right off the early mark this morning. We knew it was a trend day. We played it on the upside all day long. I put out a actual, for the members, I actually put out a trend day or range day expectations each and every morning. Members can pop over here and see what the expectations are. We had the 2464 as the range target. So in other words, if you got over that, you're probably in a trend day. The numbers on the trend, it could have gotten as high as about 2476.50 was the estimation on my part. We got the 2471, I believe. So you can see when you have this kind of information, you can use that to make wise decisions even intraday, not just on a daily basis. Finally, looking at the Russell. Russell breaks out along with the mid caps today. They get over their highs. They extend as well. And so you've got all the markets in congruence. They're all doing the same thing. They're all making new highs, folks. And that says we're probably going higher. I don't know that there's a reason to look at anything else. That's it for tonight. If you like what we do, what you want to do is join the community. If you click on the Join the Community button, there's some educational stuff here. It tells you how it works. And so if I bring this up a little bit, or down a little bit, I guess, you can see the rest of it. But essentially, you read that, you see what's happening. There's mentoring programs. There's a lot of things to help you. And we got a chart game that we've rolled out for the members as well. Let you learn how to trade neoclassically while you play. If you're ready to apply, you click it, and I'll get the notification and we'll talk. Have a great night. Take care.